How to fix WeChat verification code not received. If you are experiencing issues with not receiving a verification code for WeChat, here are some steps you can try to take to fix the problem. Firstly, check spam or junk folder. Sometimes a verification email or messages can end up in the spam or junk folder. Check these folders to see if the verification code, email or message was mistakenly filtered. In some cases, you may have the option to resend the verification code. Look for a resend code or similar option on the verification screen and try requesting the code again. Sometimes there may be delay in receiving verification codes due to network issue or server down. Wait for a few minutes and then try requesting the verification code again. Make sure that the phone number associated with your WeChat account is correct and up to the date. If there are any errors in the contact information, correct them and try again. Now, if you have tried the above steps and are still unable to receive the verification code, consider reaching out to WeChat support for assistance. They may be able to help troubleshoot the issue further and provide additional guidance. If you are unable to receive the verification code through SMS or email, consider using an alternate contact method if available. So this is how you can fix the problem. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. And that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.